North Korean airspace is a mystery. Flights through this restricted zone are rare. Commercial airliners typically avoid it. The reasons are complex. Geopolitics, security concerns, and North Korea's isolation all play a role. This essay will explore the unusual journey of an airliner through North Korean skies. Traveling over North Korea is not common. Most airlines opt for alternative routes. These routes are longer but considered safer. The risks associated with North Korean airspace are substantial. Therefore, it remains largely closed off to international travel. Imagine an airliner gliding through the skies above North Korea. Passengers peer out the windows. Below lies a land shrouded in secrecy. This scenario is uncommon, but it offers a glimpse into the complexities of this reclusive nation. The airspace itself is a reflection of North Korea's relationship with the outside world. The scarcity of flights over North Korea makes each journey noteworthy. These flights often raise questions. What are the reasons behind them? Are there changes in North Korea's policies? Or do they reflect broader geopolitical shifts? Understanding these flights requires delving into the intricate dynamics of the region. Section 2. Geopolitics and Aviation, a turbulent mix. North Korea is a country defined by tension. Its relations with its neighbors in the West are strained. This tension spills over into the aviation sector. Airlines are wary of the risks involved in flying over North Korea. The country's unpredictable behavior is a major concern. Military activity in the region further complicates matters. North Korea has a history of missile tests and military exercises. These activities pose a direct threat to aircraft. Airlines are understandably reluctant to expose their passengers and crew to such dangers. Safety remains the top priority. The geopolitical climate surrounding North Korea is volatile. Even small incidents can escalate quickly. This unpredictability makes it difficult for airlines to assess the risks of flying over North Korea. The potential consequences of an incident are too great to ignore. Therefore, airlines err on the side of caution. The use of North Korean airspace is often linked to broader political developments. For example, an increase in diplomatic engagement might lead to more flights. Conversely, heightened tensions often result in airlines avoiding the region altogether. Aviation acts as a barometer of the political climate. Section 3. A new era of flight. Recently, there have been some notable developments in North Korean aviation. The country has seen an increase in air traffic since easing COVID-19 restrictions. This uptick in flights is largely attributed to Russian activity. Russian government and military flights have become more frequent. The reasons behind the surge in Russian flights are unclear. Some speculate that it reflects closer ties between Moscow and Pyongyang. Others believe it is related to logistical needs, such as transporting goods or personnel. Regardless of the reason, the increase in Russian flights highlights the evolving dynamics in the region. Another significant development is North Korea's development of AEW and C aircraft. These aircraft enhance North Korea's ability to monitor its airspace. They also raise concerns about the country's military capabilities. The presence of AEW and C aircraft adds another layer of complexity for airlines considering flying over North Korea. The increase in air traffic and the development of AEW and C aircraft raise questions about the future of North Korean airspace. Will these developments lead to greater openness, or will they further isolate the country? The answer remains uncertain, but these developments warrant close attention. Section 4. The future of North Korean skies. The journey of an airliner through North Korean airspace is a rare occurrence. It is a reminder of the complexities and uncertainties surrounding this isolated nation. Geopolitics, security concerns, and North Korea's unpredictable behavior all contribute to the limited use of its airspace. The recent increase in Russian flights and the development of AEW and C aircraft add new dimensions to the equation. These developments underscore the need for continued monitoring and analysis. Understanding the patterns of air traffic over North Korea can provide valuable insights into the country's behavior and intentions. Safety and security are paramount for any airline operating in this region. The risks associated with flying over North Korea cannot be overstated. Airlines must carefully weigh these risks against the potential benefits of using North Korean airspace. The decision to fly over North Korea is never taken lightly. In conclusion, the skies above North Korea remain largely closed. The rare flights that do occur offer a glimpse into the country's complex relationship with the outside world. As geopolitical dynamics continue to evolve, the future of North Korean airspace remains uncertain. It is a space to watch closely, as it reflects the broader tensions and uncertainties